Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Amazon Redshift snapshots for analysis step by step clearly. To withdraw Amazon Redshift snapshots for analysis, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon Redshift service. In the Redshift console, locate the cluster for which you want to withdraw snapshots. Click on the cluster name to open its details. Within the cluster details, look for the Snapshots tab. Click on the Snapshots tab to view the available snapshots for that cluster. Identify the specific snapshot you wish to analyze. Select the snapshot by clicking on its checkbox. Once selected, look for the Actions drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, choose the option to Restore Snapshot. A dialog box will appear for the snapshot restoration process. Fill in the required fields, including the new cluster name and other configurations. Review the settings to ensure they meet your analysis requirements. Click the Restore button to initiate the process. Monitor the status of the restoration in the Redshift console. Once the restoration is complete, navigate to your new cluster. Connect to the newly restored cluster using your preferred SQL client. You can now conduct your analysis on the restored snapshot data. Remember to terminate the cluster when your analysis is complete to avoid ongoing charges. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.